In the vast expanse of our solar system, amidst the celestial ballet of planets and stars, Saturn stands out, adorned with its ethereal rings. These rings, a breathtaking spectacle of nature, have captivated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. Their shimmering beauty, visible even with a simple telescope, sparks wonder and curiosity. What are these rings made of? How did they come to be? These questions have puzzled scientists and fueled our imagination for generations. The existence of Saturn's rings presents a captivating enigma, a celestial puzzle that scientists have been striving to solve for centuries. The intricate structure, composition, and dynamics of these rings hold clues to the formation and evolution of our solar system, offering a glimpse into the processes that shaped planets and their surroundings. Understanding how these rings came to be and what sustains their delicate balance is crucial for comprehending the intricate workings of our cosmic neighborhood. Saturn's rings, those shimmering bands encircling the giant planet, might appear solid from afar. However, they are anything but. The rings are a magnificent collection of countless individual particles, each on its own orbital path around Saturn. Imagine a celestial highway buzzing with countless icy vehicles, all traveling at immense speeds yet never colliding. This is the essence of Saturn's rings. The particles within Saturn's rings are not uniform in size. In fact, they span an incredible range, from tiny, dust-like grains to massive chunks of ice larger than mountains. Imagine a cosmic rock collection with specimens ranging from minuscule pebbles to colossal boulders, all swirling around Saturn in a celestial ballet. This diversity in size is part of what makes Saturn's rings so fascinating. Section 3. The Dance of Light and Shadow, How We Study Saturn's Rings. Studying something as vast and distant as Saturn's rings presents a unique set of challenges. We can't simply scoop up a sample and analyze it in a lab. Instead, astronomers rely on a combination of ingenious techniques and advanced telescopes to unravel the secrets hidden within these celestial rings. It's a cosmic detective story, piecing together clues from the faint light that reaches us across the vastness of space. Section 1. Cosmic Architects. Theories on the origin of Saturn's rings. The existence of Saturn's rings has captivated astronomers for centuries, but their origin remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in our solar system. These rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, form a stunning and complex structure that has puzzled scientists for generations. How did these vast, shimmering bands of ice and rock come to be? Are they remnants of a primordial era, or the result of more recent cosmic events? Were they always there, cosmic relics from the birth of our planetary system? Or were they forged in a more recent celestial drama? Some theories suggest that the rings are ancient, dating back billions of years to the early days of the solar system. Others propose that they are much younger, perhaps formed from the remnants of a shattered moon or comet. Scientists have grappled with these questions for generations, developing theories that read like cosmic detective stories. They analyze data from spacecraft and telescopes, run complex simulations, and debate the evidence to uncover the truth behind Saturn's rings. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the origins of these magnificent structures, but the mystery remains, inviting us to continue exploring the secrets of our solar system. Section 2. A Shattered Past. The Giant Impact Hypothesis. The Giant Impact Hypothesis, a scenario worthy of a science fiction blockbuster, paints a dramatic picture of Saturn's early history. This theory suggests that Saturn's rings, which are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, were formed from a catastrophic event. The Giant Impact Hypothesis, a scenario worthy of a science fiction blockbuster, paints a dramatic picture of Saturn's early history. It proposes that a massive collision occurred billions of years ago, involving a large moon that once orbited Saturn. It proposes that a large moon, perhaps even larger than our own, once orbited Saturn. This moon, composed mostly of ice and rock, would have been a familiar sight in Saturn's sky, much like our own moon graces our night. This moon, composed mostly of ice and rock, would have been a familiar sight in Saturn's sky, much like our own moon graces our night. Over time, gravitational forces between Saturn and this moon created immense tidal stresses. However, this celestial harmony was not meant to last. The gravitational pull of Saturn eventually became too strong, causing the moon to spiral inward. As it got closer, the tidal forces increased dramatically, tearing the moon apart. The debris from this shattered moon spread out and formed the rings we see today. This hypothesis not only explains the origin of Saturn's rings, but also provides insight into the dynamic and sometimes violent history of our solar system. The giant impact hypothesis remains a fascinating and compelling explanation for one of the most beautiful and mysterious features in our cosmic neighborhood. Section 3. Leftovers from birth, the primordial origins theory. While the giant impact hypothesis presents a dramatic and violent origin story for Saturn's rings, an alternative theory suggests a more subtle and ancient beginning. This theory, known as the primordial origins hypothesis, proposes that the rings are not the result of a recent catastrophe, but rather a remnant of Saturn's own formation, cosmic leftovers from the birth of a giant planet. Section 1. Ephemeral beauty, the disappearing act of Saturn's rings. As much as Saturn's rings captivate us with their timeless beauty, they are not permanent fixtures in the cosmic landscape. Recent studies suggest that these majestic rings, a defining feature of Saturn for billions of years, are slowly but surely disappearing. Like a delicate dusting of snow that gradually evaporates under the warmth of the sun, Saturn's rings are fading away, albeit on a timescale that dwarfs human comprehension. Section 2. Shepherd moons and gravitational choreography. Maintaining the ring system's delicate balance is no small feat. Saturn's rings, despite their immense size and complexity, are a marvel of cosmic engineering. They maintain their intricate structure thanks to a delicate balance of gravitational forces and the influence of Saturn's numerous moons. These moons, some large and some small, act like cosmic shepherds, guiding the particles within the rings. Their gravitational pull sculpts the rings and keeps the particles in check, ensuring that the rings remain stable. This prevents the particles from scattering into space or spiraling into the planet. This intricate gravitational dance, a celestial ballet of epic proportions, is a continuous process. It is a testament to the elegant laws that govern the universe, showcasing the harmony and balance that exists in the cosmos. The formation and maintenance of Saturn's rings are influenced by the gravitational forces exerted by the planet and its moons. Each particle within the rings follows a precise path, dictated by the gravitational pull of Saturn and its moons. The moon's orbits are carefully synchronized, ensuring that the rings remain in a state of equilibrium. This delicate balance is a perfect example of the intricate and interconnected nature of our universe. The ongoing gravitational interactions between Saturn and its moons create a dynamic and ever-changing system. The beauty and complexity of Saturn's rings are a reminder of the wonders of our solar system and the forces that shape it. As we continue to study Saturn and its rings, we gain a deeper understanding of the delicate balance that exists in the universe. This knowledge not only enhances our appreciation of the cosmos, but also inspires us to explore further and uncover more of its mysteries. Section 3. Mysteries in the Rings, Unexplained Phenomena and Ongoing Research. Despite centuries of observation and the wealth of data collected by space missions, Saturn's rings continue to hold many unsolved mysteries, puzzles that intrigue and challenge our understanding of planetary science. These enigmatic features, from strange spokes that appear and disappear in the rings to unexplained variations in their density and composition, serve as tantalizing reminders that our exploration of the cosmos is far from over. Section 1. Planetary Archaeology. Deciphering the solar system's past through Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings, those ethereal bands of ice and rock, are not merely a celestial spectacle. They are a cosmic time capsule, preserving clues to the solar system's tumultuous past. Like archaeologists carefully excavating layers of sediment to reconstruct the history of a civilization, planetary scientists study the rings to unravel the events that transpired billions of years ago during the solar system's formation and early evolution. Section 2. A window into planet formation, unveiling the secrets of circumstellar disks. Saturn's rings, with their intricate structure and dynamic nature, serve as a natural laboratory for studying the processes that govern planet formation. These rings, composed of countless icy particles orbiting Saturn in a delicate gravitational ballet, share striking similarities with circumstellar disks, the swirling clouds of gas and dust that surround young stars and give birth to planetary systems. Section 3. Beyond Saturn. The search for rings around other worlds and what they teach us. Saturn's iconic rings, once thought to be a unique feature in our solar system, have become less exceptional as our exploration of the cosmos has expanded. Astronomers have discovered rings around all 4 giant planets in our solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, as well as around smaller celestial bodies, such as the asteroid Chariklo and the dwarf planet Haumea. Section 1. The enduring allure of Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings, a celestial ballet of ice and rock, continue to captivate our imagination, inspiring awe and wonder in those fortunate enough to witness their ethereal beauty. From the earliest observations through rudimentary telescopes to the detailed images captured by modern spacecraft, these rings have revealed a universe more intricate and mysterious than we could have ever imagined. Their shimmering presence serves as a constant reminder of the vastness of space and the intricate forces that govern our cosmos. Section 2. Cosmic mirrors, reflecting on our place in the universe. The study of Saturn's rings extends far beyond the realm of planetary science. It prompts us to contemplate our own place within the vast cosmic tapestry. These rings, a testament to the intricate interplay of gravity and chance, serve as a cosmic mirror, reflecting back at us the beauty, complexity, and fragility of our own existence. Section 3. The unending quest, continuing the journey of discovery. As we continue to explore the mysteries of Saturn's rings, we embark on a journey without end, driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a profound sense of wonder. Each new observation, each piece of data analyzed, opens up new avenues of inquiry, leading us deeper into the heart of the cosmos.